Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week, and oh, do we have a good one planned for you. So here you go with Victoria for our Monday Compass. Victoria?
Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so if anything crazy happens, I'm having major storms. So if I disappear, I'm still here. I'm just not there. Today for the compass, the direction I want to send you for our Zettelkasten week is we're going to take the prior 2 weeks that we've worked on, and we're going to start processing that into our note cards and into our note box. So come back tomorrow for the map, because that's where we're headed. We're going to start getting that stuff into the box so that you can use it as part of your writing process and get your writing done. So with that, I'll throw it to Kathleen for her compass.
Oh, thank you, Victoria. Well, we're in the month of modesty, and so of course, our Zettelkasten week is going to relate to modesty. So be ready to be creating a section in your Zettelkasten to capture those experiences of modesty. And when you come back tomorrow for the map, I'll give you some guidelines of what to watch for so that you can capture some of those real life characters that you see in the world around you, who are showing how they are in the character profile diagram with respect to modesty. So come on back tomorrow for our map. So that's all for today. Bye-bye.